I bought two of these 1.2 by 1.2 by 30 centimetre raised beds. They're galvanized metal, and not sure what the quality is like, but they were very cheap from Temu. So let's see if I can get them put up. So this is what's in the box. We've got 8 straight sections and 4 corners, and the bolts, and some strip that goes around the top to protect your body when you're walking past, etc., because it'll be quite sharp. It's just galvanized steel. They also give you some of these gloves and some instructions which I left at home. I haven't read, but it all seems rather straightforward. I did bring up a socket wrench with a 10mm, because you get the bolt nuts and bolts obviously, with a 10mm socket, but stupidly it was a 3/8 drive, and the wrench I've got is a quarter, so I'm going to have to just wing it. Right, let's see if we can do it from there. In an effort to save my back, I'm going to try and do things on here. This is much better. Well, that's the 2 halves made, and all I've got to do, that was much easier on the table, but I can't do this next bit on the table. That's bolting the 2 halves together, so let me try and crack on with that. I think I paid £16 something each for these, and that the shipping was free. I bought 2 of them. If I'd have bought one, I think it should have cost about £23, something like that. So I did go for the 2. They're a little bit flimsy, and who knows how long they'll last. But at my age, they might outlast me, so all's good. I'm just realising why they went to the bother of rolling one end and not the other. It doesn't matter on the bottom, but the rolled end gives a grip to this edging, this whatever you call it, protection strip. Because this has got grippers inside that catch the lip of the rolled edge. It's quite effective actually. Just a bit awkward going over these double up bits. But I'm sure I'll manage it somehow. Having said that, this bit doesn't want to go down. There we go. I'm going to have to sort that out. Where it's a little bit distorted. I think when there's soil in it, they'll push out quite okay. I'm hoping anyway. I'm not sure I can see this. See if I can show you the edge I meant. I'm not sure this is showing up, but you can see there's like grippers on the inside of it. I learned this trick from Charles Dowding, a dead easy way to string your garlic. I've taken all my seed. This is storing garlic, not the elephant garlic. I've taken all the good ones, nice big ones that I've split, and put them for my seed. Now all you need, piece of wire, fairly rigid, sharp end, and just go through the stem. I'll let it come down, and then the next one. Just pierce the stem and let it go down on its own weight. Don't know if I'm showing you this properly, but you can see what I'm doing, and it's just a dead easy way. And I'll just take this home and hang it up in the garage. Make sense? It works great. Thank you, Charles Dowding.